Today, I'm going to teach you how to add social sharing links to your Wix blog. This feature is incredibly useful because it allows your readers to easily share your content across their social media platforms, helping you reach a wider audience and increase engagement with your blog posts. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. To begin, open your browser and navigate to the Wix website. Once you're there, log into your Wix account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all aspects of your website. Look over to the left navigation menu where you'll see various options for managing your site. Click on Site and Mobile App, and a drop-down selection will appear with additional options. From here, take a moment to preview the website settings that are displayed. It's important to make sure that this is indeed the website where you want to add social sharing functionality to your blog. This quick verification step ensures you're working on the correct site, especially if you manage multiple Wix websites under one account. Once you've confirmed you're on the right website, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. This button is typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the next stage. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the real magic happens, as it gives you full access to customize and modify your site's design and functionality. From here, you need to start by locating the specific blog page where you wish to add social sharing links. This step is crucial because social sharing settings are applied on a page-by-page basis. Look for the page drop-down selector at the top of your editor screen and click on it. A page list drop-down will appear showing all the pages on your website. From this list, select Blog and you'll be directed straight to your blog page. This brings up your blog layout in the editor view. Now simply click on your blog posts element on the page. When you do this, a settings option will appear, giving you access to various customization features. Click on the settings option to open the configuration panel. Under the display section, scroll down to the very bottom where you'll find a social sharing section. This is where you can control whether social sharing buttons appear on your blog posts and which social media platforms you want to include. Click on the social sharing section to expand it. Here, you'll see a toggle button that enables or disables social sharing functionality. Simply toggle this button to enable social sharing on your blog posts. Once enabled, you'll be able to select which social icons you want to display on your posts, such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, or others, depending on your audience and preferences. And that's it. You've successfully added social sharing links to your Wix blog, making it easier for your readers to spread your content across their networks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.